has great pressure. I love it. Bragging about my shower head today because it has great water pressure and all. But as you can see, this has now broken off and it's not good anymore. It was installed, working perfectly. Now that it's on there, that's where it broke off from. So yeah, not sure how that happened. It was not forced or anything, but there you have it. Not good anymore. But I did love it while I was working. Great water pressure and all, but what's the point if it's gonna break down so quickly? I've just had this maybe a couple of months.
Baby, I'm a gangster too. Baby, I'm a gangster too.